Light, noise cancelling, and convenient. Everything you need in a headset. This is really comfortable. You don't even know it's on. It only covers one ear, so one ear you can hear everything is still happening around you, but when you are on the call, it is noise cancelling, which is really convenient. Perfect for your telephone calls, perfect for your Zoom calls. It can go on either ear, whichever is more comfortable for you. All you do is turn it around and flip the voice arm to the other side. And there, that's comfortable. It is adaptable, so it works for any head size and any height that you would like it, or lower it onto your ear. Very convenient, perfect for the person working from home, perfect for the person working in the office. Very simple design. Plug it in and control everything from one little control. Everything we want in a headset.